the cracking and the different techniques that you guys do, is chiropractic care safe?
Chiropractic care is very safe. Remember, chiropractors are around for over 100 years. Manipulation or adjustments, or as people say, cracking, is very safe technique. And also there is different techniques. You have very gentle techniques, we have manual techniques, we have a little bit harsher techniques. It depends which one you like with your body. You have to go and get adjusted with your trusted chiropractor.